Hi, my name is Dr. Ryan Lehto, and I just wanted to let you know about our DNA Memorial product. It is saving your genetic material for future generations. When you get your DNA Memorial delivered to you after, you will open up the box. There will be a letter in there from us, just with some basic care instructions. There will be your manual. Just gives you some basic care instructions, what testing you can do with it, what it contains, how to care for it. So make sure you put this in a safe place. Along with that, you will have your certificate. On the certificate, it has the quantity of DNA, the date, and your unique DM number. This is important because future testing will need this concentration. This also shows that it's been certified and it's quality DNA. Then we'll look at the actual DNA, what you have and what you get delivered. It comes in this beautiful display case. And inside this tiny little vial is enough DNA for up to 500 tests depending on the sample, but on average around 500 tests. This DNA is in a state of suspended animation, so it's almost like instant DNA. It's already purified and it's ready to go, so it can be used by anyone, any laboratory for any genetic testing. It needs to be stored at room temperature or in a filing cabinet or in a safety deposit box. This DNA will remain viable indefinitely, so it can be passed on to future generations. Thank you for watching, and go to dnamemorial.com to find out more.